Before using the WUR-COM system, you must first perform the required connectivity tests. If the car station is a WUR-COM Plus, the camera playback feature will also provide both audio recording and video playback. To enter test mode, press and hold the Yes button for about 15 seconds. When the Welcome to Test Mode screen appears, press Yes to proceed. Next is the button press test, which verifies all button functions. Press the Yes, No, and Call buttons in that order. On the Select Device Type screen, press Yes to select WUR-COM Plus, or press No to select WUR-COM Standard. For the media recording test, press the Call button to start recording. The camera will capture a short video and then play it back. Press Yes to continue. Finally, the Offline Mode test checks the device's connectivity status. If the text appears green, the device is online. If the text appears red, the device is offline. Press Yes to continue.